Hey y'all, Eve Belize, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I color my gray hair permanently with my henna. I'm going to be showing you how I mix it, application, and the result. This is a highly requested video. I haven't colored my hair with henna for 3 months, so this is 3 months of growth right here. This is what the henna does to the hair. So this is the permanent color that it leaves. So all I'm doing is touching up my roots.
All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you.
It's not too thin. As you can see, it's not running through my hair. I'm gonna let this sit for about 4 hours, cover it with a plastic bag, and then wash it out. The unused portion, you can store it in the freezer for your next application.